Hey, what's up? Got this part in the other day. I ordered the 52 millimeter gy6 50cc QMB, whatever, blah blah blah. Biggest kit you could get, man, just so I could max out some horsepower. But yeah, I mean, there's a couple of issues, but I mean, this bore and everything looks pretty good. Piston looks good. About the only new stuff here, but then you get to the head. It's got the large valve and everything. But I did a leak down test because I don't trust nothing you get off of eBay. By the way, it's that one right there that you get off eBay. They got them on Amazon for 79 bucks, 89 bucks. eBay is 69 bucks. And yeah, the issue I got is with the head. I did a leak down test, man. This thing leaks like a sieve. But upon investigation, I pulled the springs off. These are ground down. I'm really not sure what the purpose of grinding these things down was, unless they just refurbished something. But all the springs are like that. And then these valves, neither one, the exhaust or the intake, is seated. They leak all over the place. And let's get in here. And he says these are genuine brand new parts. It looks like brand new refurbished crap. But yeah, and I'm pretty sure all that shit right there is why it's not seating, because it's all garbage. And then for an aftermarket part, look at this shit. What the fuck? Did like a fucking dodo get in there and take a shit? But yeah, so the guy won't even get back to me. I was like, dude, just swap out the head, man. And he was just, man, the douchebag's not even saying nothing. So I'm just like, man, fuck it. Instead of sending it back and then trying to order another kit and have this asshole send back more shit worse than I got now, I'm just going to go ahead and clean that motherfucker. I'm going to port that bastard and lap the valves and get it sitting right like it should have been from the get-go. And then maybe I could haul some arse. But, yep. Just figure I'd give y'all a run through what to expect if y'all looking at getting this kit.